And thank you most profoundly, most sincerely for visiting our state and for your willingness to partner with us in our hours of need. You are indeed a pain, because anybody who cannot partner with you in your hours of need, probably your head office might have dissuaded you from coming, but you dared the lion and came to our den. But believe me, it's a harmless den. Maiduguri is now much safer than Lagos or even Abuja. You are welcome to the land of the emerging peace. I want to assure you of our unflinching, our unwavering commitment towards improvement in maternal, newborn, and child health activities. We are investing in field blocks, and this has endeared us a lot to the women who have been trooped into our health facilities across the state. And we are also investing heavily in strengthening the healthcare facilities through the purchase of equipment and all the necessary facilities. Along this way, when we assumed the mantle of leadership, we had 35 doctors in the service of the Borno state government. We now have 115 doctors. We have also recruited 250 nurses and midwives, all in an effort to strengthen the human resources capabilities of our hospitals. You might have seen some very good ambulances which we bought from the United States and which we are going to distribute to all the healthcare facilities across the state. And this is just a tip of the iceberg. We have a lot of plans in the pipeline. General hospitals in Biu, in New Market, in Dikwa, in Mapa, and we have just converted the former infectious diseases hospital along Dikwa Road here in Maiduguri into a 250-bed women and children's hospital, which will be christened after our former First Lady, Mrs. Mariam Abacha, who incidentally is from this part of the world. And along this line, in order to erase misconceptions about the policies and programs of the government, we are making strenuous efforts to involve religious and community leaders so as to enlighten the mass of our people on the benefits of the reproductive health facilities that we are assisting us with. Unfortunately, because of the crisis, there was a lot of gender-based violence. A lot of our daughters were kidnapped, taken to the countryside, abused, some were impregnated, and they are in dire straits. So we want you to really take this factor into consideration in your humanitarian assistance platform, because they are our daughters. They have nowhere to go than to stay. And honestly, we have a moral obligation to really come to their aid and assist them. And along this line, we have equally upgraded the schools of nursing and midwifery into full-fledged colleges with all the ancillary facilities and support. The Commissioner of Health can easily take you to the School of Nursing, to the College of Nursing, and see the improvements we have done in terms of facilities in that school. We have completely upgraded and renovated their hostel facilities, their classrooms, their office complexes, and I can assure you that we are planning to extend the same gesture to the School of Midwifery as well. I want to once again thank you for the visit and reaffirm our unflinching commitment towards partnership with your organization, all in an effort towards advancing the cause of the reproductive health of our people. Thank you so much for the visit, and we are wishing you very fruitful discussions with the relevant ministries and a safe journey back to Abuja. Thank you so much.